What's cooking, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are not going to be turning on the oven for baking because it is too damn hot out there. I did want to make a cake for you guys, but I decided to keep it extremely simple with my no-bake creamy vanilla cheesecake with fresh berries on top. This is a perfect dessert for the upcoming 4th of July weekend if you are celebrating, but if not, this dessert is perfect for the summer. Let's get straight into the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for 2 new recipes a week, and now let's get baking, but without the oven. So first I'll start with my fresh strawberries. I have about 12 ounces here approximately, and I'm just cutting the big ones in half and going to leave the small ones whole. Now in a medium bowl, I'm going to add about 1 cup of fresh blueberries. You can use any kind of berries you like, guys, but just to stay with the red, white, and blue July 4th theme, I'm using strawberries and blueberries for today. And then I'm just putting in the strawberries that I just cut in half into the same bowl here. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in here. You can use sugar substitute as well, whatever works for you guys is fine. And I'm just going to mix the berries and the sugar together till the sugar has coated the berries. Once mixed, I'm going to put these in the fridge for at least 30 minutes or a little bit more. And this process is called macerating, which really means that the sugar will help the berries to release their natural juices the longer they sit together. And now for my no-bake graham cracker crust, I have about 1.5 cups of crushed graham crackers here in a small bowl. And to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix this together till the graham crackers start looking like wet sand from the beach. Once you have that mixture done, take a 9-inch pie dish. I have a clear one here, which is great for this no-bake cheesecake, and just pour that graham cracker crust into the pie dish and press it down firmly with your hands so it creates a crust. I'm not taking this up to the sides of the pie dish, and you'll see why towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm taking a measuring cup here and pressing it down further so it really stays compact. And I'm going to be putting this in the refrigerator as well so the butter in there can cool down again and make the crust more firm. In a large bowl here, I have 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. It's important to have this at room temperature so that I can mix it better with my hand mixer. And then just beat this for like 30 seconds to cream it basically, and this is not going to take long. And now add in some heavy cream, and I have only 1/4 cup of it here. And make sure this is straight out of the fridge, it should be cold. I'm also going to add 1 3/4 cups of cold milk in there. And my easy shortcut is this vanilla pudding mix. Makes my life so easy, especially for summer desserts. And it's so creamy and delicious. Nobody will know you had help from the store. And now with your hand or stand mixer, mix all these ingredients up. You can even use a whisk if you don't have a hand or stand mixer. And I know there's lumps in there, but don't worry, the more you mix this, the lumps will break down and the end result will be smooth and creamy. You want to mix this for a couple of minutes until it starts to thicken and looks more like a custard or a pudding. And the heavy cream in there is also going to whip up and add more creaminess to this mixture, while the cream cheese adds a hint of tangy flavor, which I love to balance out that sweetness. But this dessert is not too sweet. I'm also going to put this in the fridge as well, like the berries and the crust, till it cools down completely. These berries were in the fridge for at least 40 minutes, and you can see the natural juices have been released with the help from the sugar. And this is exactly how you want your berries to look like, so keep them in the fridge as long as you need to until you get this result. So now let's assemble these 3 components together to make our cheesecake. I have my graham cracker crust here all cooled down. And I'm going to pour the pudding mix I made right in there. All of it goes in there. This is the perfect amount for 1 cheesecake. And I did taste the pudding on its own. It's definitely not sweet at all, but it's perfect for me. So if you want to add sugar to it when you're mixing it, that's up to you. And then just level this out onto the crust like I'm showing here till it is flat on the top. We have our beautiful strawberries and blueberries, and I'm just going to take the strawberries and line them up on the perimeter of my pie dish. Now, of course, you can do any kind of design you like. This is just my quick and easy design I came up with. But get creative, get your kids involved if you want, let them have some fun in the kitchen too. And then I'll put this blueberries around the strawberries so you get the contrast in color, and you can already see it resemble the red, white, and blue colors for 4th of July. No white in there, it's more like a creamy pale yellow color, but you know what I mean. You want to put this back in the fridge till it is fully set, at least a few hours, but overnight is going to be even better. So here's my no-bake vanilla berry cheesecake that took very little effort, but it is going to be perfect for July 4th barbecue parties or cookouts. You can make this any time of the year, obviously, but for the summer it is perfect because you didn't even have to turn on your oven in this already hot weather. I hope you enjoyed today's simple recipe and the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you being here, guys. Have a safe July 4th weekend. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, take care of yourselves.